Sushi recipe. 2 cups sushi rice, 2½ cups water, 1/2 cup rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Nori seaweed sheets, fresh fish like tuna or salmon. Thinly sliced, vegetables cucumber, avocado, carrot, julienne, soy sauce for dipping, pickled ginger, and wasabi for serving. 1. Rinse sushi rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Cook the rice with water according to package instructions. 2. In a small saucepan, combine rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Heat over low heat until the sugar and salt dissolve. Allow the mixture to cool. 3. Once the rice is cooked, transfer it to a large bowl. Gradually add the vinegar mixture to the rice, gently folding it in to combine. Let the rice cool to room temperature. 4. Place a bamboo sushi rolling mat on a flat surface. Put a sheet of plastic wrap over the mat. 5. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on the plastic wrap. 6. Wet your hands and spread a thin layer of sushi rice over the nori, leaving a small border at the top. 7. Arrange thin slices of fish and julienne vegetables along the bottom edge of the rice. 8. Carefully lift the edge of the bamboo mat with the nori and rice and roll it over the fillings, applying gentle pressure. 9. Seal the edge of the nori by moistening it with a little water. 10. Use a sharp knife to slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. 11. Repeat the process for additional rolls. 12. Serve the homemade sushi rolls with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi. Enjoy your homemade sushi! I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comment section.